Peace and love, y'all. My name's Naeem. Today I'll be attempting a precognitive remote viewing session. So I'm going to work the session on the whiteboard, and then after the session's done, a target's going to get generated. I'm going to see if I can perceive this aspects of this target before it's been selected. So I got timeanddate.com up here. I got my target pool open down on the bottom here, and I got the farsight.org target generator. So I'm going to generate a target number here and click generate. 1236 dash 9263 is going to represent the future target. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that. So now I'm going to work this target for a bit. I'm going to work this target for a bit. It's 12:11 right now. I'm going to work this target, and then once I feel like I've got something, we'll generate a target and see if I was able to perceive anything. So bear with me here, and we'll see what we get. 1236-9263 visual recall. Something like that. Sounds, I get voices, more than one. Smells, land, paved, smells and tastes. I'm going to say stone, something linear. Textures, hard, like steps or something. Something linear. Linear patterns. 1236-9263. 1, 2, 3. Sounds. I just get like a sound. Smells. Wide, flat. Smells and tastes. Seems like paved. Textures. Flat, hot. Structure 1. Here we go. STRUCTURE 1. Structure 1. Okay, something up here, structure, then there's more down here, then it comes down a bit, then there's a wide area like this. Sounds, I get voices, many voices, so there might be some people here. I get the sense of like upper deck. Smells and tastes. Paved. Like before. I get the idea of like landing. What would be the purpose of that? Okay. This is what it reminds me of. The sense of it, the visual. Could be wrong, but it reminds me of like an aircraft carrier. Just this large area. But I could be wrong. But there's an open area here, something that's more built up over here. That's what I'm getting there. structure, flat here, bunch of different things going on up here. That's what I'm getting. If there's anything else I need to see here, let's see it now. 1236-9236. Okay. I see this as like a strip. I don't know if it's like a landing strip or something, but I see a strip of land, some structure off of the side. And I get like incoming. Yeah, like idea of landing. And I hear like a screech. So maybe these come in and land here or something, because I don't know. I'm going to stop that here. Gonna bring over this target pool here. My work's already been done. Alright, I'm going to show you my clock here. Time is 12:27, still in sync with time and date. And I'm going to click on Apprentice. And when I click on this link now, a target's going to actually get generated and selected for us. So I click that. Here's our target. I'm going to click it and let's see what we got. And it is a bunch of, it is a lot with some structures. I did say it's like a strip of land, but what is the context of this? No context to this. It's the thing about some of these targets. Yeah, hard to say on this one. It did have the land, like it reminded me, like I said, it reminded me of a aircraft carrier, right? And I don't know if this is like a shipping yard or a barn. Like I'm searching here, it says barn, but hard to tell what this actually is. Looks like some old warehouses or something. So yeah, hopefully that was interesting. It is a paved lot, but yeah, hard to say if that's a hit or not. But hopefully that was interesting. Peace and love, y'all. Thanks for watching.